Welcome to the heart of India, where innovation meets sustainability. Introducing IMC, Indore Municipal Corporation, the pioneering force behind Indore's integral waste management success story. For 7 consecutive years, Indore has had the title of India's #1 city in waste management. But what makes IMC stand out? Situated in the vibrant city of Indore, the central hub of Madhya Pradesh, IMC spearheads the city's waste management initiatives. With its innovative approach, it has transformed waste collection into an art form, covering 19 zones, each encompassing 4 to 5 wards. IMC ensures every corner of Indore stays clean and green daily. It tackles a staggering 530 tons of dry waste, 460 tons of wet waste, along with plastic waste, e-waste and hazardous waste. Using door-to-door collection and open waste collection methods, IMC ensures no waste is unmanaged, paving the way for a cleaner and healthier city. But it's not just cleanliness. IMC impacts goes beyond, contributing significantly to Indore's economy. By efficiently managing waste, IMC creates jobs, promotes recycling, and fosters a sustainable environment, ultimately driving economic growth. Join us in this journey of innovation and sustainability with Prestige Institute of Management and Research Indore as we continue to lead the way towards a brighter, greener future for Indore and beyond.
All vehicles used in the collection and transportation system are monitored by a GPS-enabled tracking system. The GPS system is constantly monitored by the monitoring cell. Gobardhan plant, built on 15 acres of land with an investment of 150 crores, processes 550 tons of the 700 tons per day of biodegradable waste in the city. The plant proposes to improve the city's air quality by mitigating 130,000 tons of carbon dioxide annually. Gobardhan plant was set up by the Indore Municipal Corporation in partnership with the private company Ever Enviro Resource Management Private Limited. IMC is supposed to supply 90% segregated waste to the plant, for which the company has to pay them an annual royalty of 2.5 crores. The corporation buys bio-CNG from the plant at a rate that is 5 rupees less than the market price of CNG and using it as a fuel to run its 146 buses. The Indore Municipal Corporation has already earned 8.5 crores in carbon credits by replacing diesel buses with CNG. Also, half the gas produced is sold to Avantika Gas Limited, the CNG and PNG supplier of the Indore region, at 56 rupees per kg.
The Ahilya City Forest project in Indore is like a big garden in the city that helps nature and bring people together. They plant lot of trees and use eco-friendly ways to keep air clean and environment healthy. People can walk, play and rest there, which is good for their health and happiness. This project is great example for other cities to follow, showing how they can make cities greener and better for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome you all to the land of Indore, the cleanest city of India, an initiative of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Friends, Indore managed and retained the 7th consecutive time the award of cleanest city in a country. It's a commendable achievement. In fact, it is a silent transformation happening across the country through the process of waste segregation, waste collection, transportation and transfer, tracking system through GPS, material recovery, composition and dump site remediation. There are commendable initiatives which has taken by Indore source segregation of garbage, and for this, residents are trained to do so. Transfer to garbage for processing and further recycling to be used in industry. A clear communication and awareness program has been organized to make the integral part of success. A cleaning campaign has been run for Jan Bhagidari. With all this, a sense of belongingness in all Indore people, and this make Indore sustainable city. Jang Bhagidari has played a significant role in Indore. I have seen lots of behavioral change has taken place in the citizen of Indore. Many of the NGOs are creating awareness level among the people, and there has been a cultural shift among the residents who not think it is their responsibility to keep the city clean. Friends, we need to study the best practices across country for better implementation in Indore. Night cleaning, named as Safai's Mitra, as a volunteer, and cities are safe in nights. Their roadmap is planned by Nagar Nigam based on their residents, and Safai inspector watch and guide them for safety. And in the morning, clean rolls welcome you for every day with positive vibration. Friends, in fact, I understand building cycle path is also one of the initiative which Indore has already started in country. India are adopting technology which is AI driven based. Drone Didi. This is a sustainable India. The way of thinking has changed. Friends, India has a rich history of being an environmental friendly, and how do we connect that today with technology? So, in fact, friends, during G20 program which held at Indore, we have ensured the installation of app into the driver's mobile. This facilitates the smooth conversation between drivers and from any foreign language guest. Conversation of Hindi to local language through AI is a wonderful achievement. Friends, I believe such innovation bring value additions in our life. Using the AI feature on my Namo app, we should embrace this technology to enhance the daily life of all Indoris, India and across the globe. Friends, I am pleased to share that my students Ocean and Pratham has done a wonderful live project under my mentorship, and we have submitted the report to Indore Nagar Nigam and Indore Municipal Corporation. It is appreciated by all, and certificate has been issued to us by Indore Nagar Nigam. Finally, I congratulate my students for publication of their live projects in a biannual peer-reviewed journal. I assure you all that we all as a PIMR family make Indore sustainable and progressive in nature. Thank you.
We would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed Dr. Devachan Sir, Chancellor, Prestige University and Prestige Education Foundation for facilitating and optimal research environment. This sincere appreciation also goes to our Senior Director Dr. Devashish Malik Sir for their unwavering motivation and support. We also express our heartfelt thanks to our Campus Director Colonel Dr. Subramaniam Raman Iyer Sir for their guidance and assistance throughout this endeavor. Finally, we extend special appreciation to our mentor, Professor Dr. Nitin Girdarwal Sir, whose invaluable support and guidance have played a pivotal role in our journey to this day. Thank you.
सस्टेनेबल इंदौर, वेस्ट टू वेल्थ वाला इंदौर, वेस्ट टू आर्ट के इंदौर पर ओशन जैन और प्रथम जो कि प्रेस्टीज इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत ही सुंदर प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है। मैं उनको, पूरी टीम को, उनके मेंटर्स को, टीचर्स को, गाइड को और पूरे इंस्टीट्यूट को बधाई देता हूँ कि ये पढ़ाई के साथ साथ शहर में जनभागीदारी का भी अच्छा प्रयास है। आप सभी को बधाई।
जागो जागो, स्वच्छता का सूरज निकला, कोना कोना इस शहर का हो उजला, आओ बनाए नंबर 1 फिर से अपना ये इंदौर। जागो जागो, स्वच्छता का सूरज निकला, कोना कोना इस शहर का हो उजला, आओ बनाए नंबर 1 फिर से अपना ये इंदौर।
7 रंग मिलकर बनाए श्वेत रंग उजियारा,